These 10 short-form clips you see here were generated from one long YouTube video, and it took only 10 minutes. This AI tool actually finds the best moments and edits them better than most people would do manually. Most creators struggle with repurposing content more than anything else. You can have a great YouTube video or podcast episode, but if you're not turning that into shorts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, you're missing out on massive reach. That's why so many creators either skip short-form content entirely or spend hours editing clips, trying to figure out which moments to use, adding captions, reformatting for vertical video, only to end up exhausted with their clips not even performing well. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Keoo AI to turn any long video into multiple short-form clips in just 10 minutes. I'm talking step by step, from pasting the link to downloading your finished clips. I'm even going to show you how the AI ranks which clips are most likely to go viral, so you know exactly which ones to post first. If you're a content creator, this is going to change everything for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that right now because I drop videos like this all the time. So I'm on Keoo AI right now. I'm going to add the link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Look on the left side here. You got Inspiration, Idea Lab, Social Post, and the one we're using today is Clipping. So we're going to click on that. All right, so here's what it says. Create TikToks, Reels, Shorts from your long videos in just one click. That's literally what this does. So all you have to do is paste your video URL right here. For this demo, I'm going to this video. This one's called 30 Celebrities Fight for $1 Million. It's a 42-minute video, so it's perfect for turning into multiple short clips. I'll grab that YouTube link, paste it in here, and then hit generate. Now you'll see this settings panel pop up. It says create up to 10 shorts from your video, and you've got several settings you can adjust. Let me walk you through it. The first one is duration. It's already set to auto, which means it'll figure out the best length for each clip. The second is language. English is already selected, but you can change that if your video is in a different language. The third one is reframe. This is turned on. What this does is it automatically reframes your video to make sure the important stuff stays in the frame when it converts it to vertical format. The fourth is dimensions. You got portrait selected here, which is perfect for TikTok, Reels, Shorts. If you wanted landscape for some reason, you could change that. The fifth is hook. This is turned off right now, but if you turn it on, it'll try to start each clip with a hook to grab attention. The sixth is captions. This is off too, but you can turn it on if you want automatic captions on your clips. A lot of people like captions because it makes videos more engaging and accessible, and people watch with sound off a lot. The last one is emojis. This one is on. It'll add emojis to make your clips more engaging and fun. Once you got everything set, just click on generate clips at the bottom. Alright, so now it's processing and you can see the progress bar. It's estimated to take 10 minutes, so you have to wait a bit, but think about it. 10 minutes to get 10 fully edited short clips? That's nothing compared to doing it manually. You could be spending hours on this if you were doing it yourself. Once it's done, you'll see that each clip has a thumbnail so you can see what it's about. This first one is the How We Caught Cheating in Mr. Beast's $1 million challenge, and it's 41 seconds long. And look at this, it gives you a virality score. This one is number 1 with a 10 out of 10 score. So Keoo AI is basically telling you this clip has the highest chance of going viral. That's crazy useful because you know which ones to post first. You can click on transcript if you want to see what's being said in the clip. Look, it's showing the whole transcript here. Like the AI found this moment in the 30-minute video and turned it into a standalone clip. And when you're ready, just hit download HD and you got your clip ready to upload to TikTok, Instagram, wherever. Scroll down and look, there's more clips. This one's called Mr. Beast's Secret Protein Sabotage. 34 seconds long, virality score 10 out of 10. Another one about Kevin Hart replacing Gordon Ramsay, which is 48 seconds. So you got all these different clips, each one focusing on a different interesting moment from the original video. And they're all ranked by how likely they are to perform well. You just download the ones you want and post them. It even gave them catchy titles automatically. So that's literally it. You take one long video, paste the link, click generate, wait like 10 minutes, and you got 10 short clips ready to go. No editing, no trying to figure out what parts are interesting, no messing with aspect ratios or captions. Keoo AI does everything for you. And the fact that it gives you a virality score? That's insane! You know exactly which clips to prioritize. You're not guessing which parts of your video are gonna perform best. The AI already figured it out for you. If you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, literally any long-form content, this is a game changer for you. One piece of content automatically edited into 10 different posts across all your platforms. That's how you maximize your content without burning out. The link to Keoo AI is in the description. Go try it out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. I make helpful videos like this all the time. Like, share, check out the next video. I'll see you in the next one.